Shiba Inu global takeover. What do I mean by that? Well, this article that you see on the screen here with me is really what I'm referring to, but I'm also referring to the fact that Shiba Inu has a global brand, and they are the grandfather, if you will, the OG, the original gangster, the goat. Austin said OG. Yeah, of meme coins, of community coins. And by the way, apologize for this weird lighting I've got going on with me. I've got something going on with my camera is acting a little funky today, and it's making it look like I have a halo. Woo, like I have a halo. See that? Kind of cool. I don't know. It's weird, random. This is the same MacBook that I've used forever to record, and it's never done this before, so I don't really know why this is happening, but it is. So you get Austin with a halo in the video. Okay, so global adoption, global takeover. That's really what I want to talk about. I've been covering Shib every single day on my channel since May of 21. So that's obviously 2 years. And one thing I talk about all the time is the global brand awareness that Shiba Inu has. Everybody knows about it. If you even have, remotely glanced at crypto, everybody knows about Shib. And people either really love it or they don't, or they hate it. But, it's very polarizing, right? But I think community meme tokens are polarizing in general. I think a lot of people don't like them. A lot of people do. I happen to be a massive fan. But this is an example right here of how the global takeover from a branding standpoint that Shiba Inu has. So this is yet another example, and this is adding to the additional other, countless integrations and partnerships and embeds, if you will, where other technologies, other companies are embedding Shiba Inu into their ecosystem. So this is Shiba Inu opens access to 150 million new users. So Alpha Top Up, which is a B2B solution providing top up and data services, has announced that it's going to accept Shiba Inu for mobile top up. So this basically Top Up has 150 million users across 160 countries, and moreover, the firm has a network of over 1,200 mobile operators. And by the way, operators are talking about like mobile service providers. Okay, so that's really impressive if you think about it. I'm thinking about 150 million users. So this is a scenario where leveraging the power and the brand of Shib, right? So according to the official tweet, Alpha Top Up considered Shib the hottest meme coin of the year. Okay. This is again an example of kind of global takeover and global brand awareness and companies lining up because they want to be able to say, hey, we are partnered with Shiba Inu in that crypto space, and Shiba Inu being one of the most recognizable brands right up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. We want to partner with you and have you as part of, we can talk about that as from a narrative standpoint. Okay. So before we wrap up kind of the current state of the union, Shib is continuing to kind of do its thing. 5087. We've been here for a little bit. The overall market continues to be really flat, not a lot going on in the overall crypto market. Bitcoin at 26.8, Ethereum at 1,800. Fairly high amount of volatility that we've been seeing as of in the recent, 4 or 5 plus days. I think we're going to be here a little bit longer as we continue to struggle with this kind of market crypto volatility. Shib's moving along with Bitcoin and Ethereum and kind of up and down as percentages move, according to this kind of volatility that we're seeing in the overall crypto market. So I'm not expecting a lot to change there in the foreseeable future, but there you go. So just wanted to bring you this quick video to talk about kind of this marketing and brand awareness and kind of continued global takeover from the standpoint of other companies embedding or partnering with Shib, embedding them in their ecosystems and all that kind of stuff. This is a good news kind of scenario and kind of that long-term continue to build out of the ecosystem and the footprint scenario. All right. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.